Mike VanderZanden, President and CEO with Amerequip. Amerequip is a very vertically integrated company that designs, tests, manufactures, paints, and assembles product for large global OEMs across the country. So in 2010, shortly after taking over in my current role, we started going into the recession. The business contracted by about 50%, and we used that as an opportunity to look out, create a vision, establish our values, and decide how we were going to reshape the organization coming out of the recession. So looking at our core competencies, looking at our culture, developing one by design, and allowing us to make sure that we knew what we wanted to do when we grew up, and make the changes at that point in time. It has, by establishing our vision and our values and designing a corporate culture, it's really allowed us to accomplish the unthinkable. We've had significant growth. We've been able to make a larger difference in the community. We've been able to become an employer of choice, make a difference in the lives of others, and really utilize the business to do some really special things. When we looked forward to wanting to employ 400 and be a $100 million company by 2020, we needed to change our reputation in the community, and we also had a desire to make a difference. And so we've been getting more involved in the youth, in high schools, within the municipalities themselves, and really striving to become a corporate citizen, somebody that's responsible, that's giving back and making a difference within the community. It's been very exciting. We're about a year and a half out of our last expansion, and we're going to be starting in June, kicking off another 90,000 square foot expansion that'll put all of our core competencies from a manufacturing perspective under one roof. So fabrication, welding, painting, and assembly will all be under one roof here in Kiel now. That vertical integration is extremely unique in the industry, especially for somebody that produces finished products like we do. And it was about 4 years ago that we kind of recognized that as a niche, that the large global OEMs that we participate with, they need product to fill niches within their product portfolios, but they don't have the resources or the time to always be able to do that. And so we're able to come in and work with the OEMs and be able to design a product complete from the ground up to be able to fill these niche products that they're needing in order to complete their portfolio. And so it's worked for us very well, and we continue to grow and develop those competencies now to become a stronger partner to our customers. Being able to be recognized for our culture after, as I said, 6 years ago, having a culture that was non-existent. So being able to go back and know all the hard work and effort and the effort put into designing a culture that we wanted someday, that started 6 years ago, and developing that into our vision and strategy, and being able to be recognized after growing from 100 employees to 270 team members now, and being able to see our hard work, our effort, and our commitment become reality is just, it feels good to be able to know that we're doing things for the right reasons and being recognized for it.